Binoculars, binoculars.
Oh, wow.
Binoculars.
Ooh, binoculars.
Yeah, cool. Now, I need one person. Who wants to play? I want to play.
I want to play, please.
Okay, Sila, you're here. Okay. Sila, put your binoculars on. Okay. Now you two, you can't see. No, see. With your kids, make a line. Well, you don't have to, with your kids, make a line so that they can't see what's going to be shown here. Okay, Sila. So, everyone will sing, what do you see? What do you see? One more time. What do you see? What do you see? What do you see?
I see a blue whale in the Atlantic.
Wow.
And everyone says, really?
Really?
You say, yes!
Yes!
And 1, 2, 3, down! Down. Ah! Blue whale in the Atlantic. Binoculars. So,
Blue whale.
what do you see? What do you see? And everyone will say, I see a blue whale in the Atlantic.
In the Atlantic.
In the Atlantic.
A bit of a long and difficult sentence, but this is part of our project on whale watching. So the kids know these sentences. We're just trying to have fun with it in the perform phase. Okay, who wants to play?
Can I play, please?
Yes, you can. Ah, sorry. Okay, so Sila and Chloe, go over there. And Ellie, binoculars.
Binoculars.
And everyone, let's sing. What do you see? What do you see?
I see humpback whale in the Antarctic.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Okay, turn. And
Wow.
what do you see? What do you see? I see a humpback whale in the Atlantic. Antarctic, sorry. Okay, and you can continue this, of course. Long sentences here, but use it with game cards. Short, small words, and build around a certain type of sentence. It works really well. Bye!
Bye.